in.
Okay, I'm gonna step back for this.
Okay, man. I almost got it. Whoa, whoa, that was close, man. I almost died. I'm okay. All right, man. Put your hands in. Okay, let's get this done, man. Okay. Pick the lock. Oh, yeah. Oh, check that out, man. Pick this lock. Pick the lock. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I picked the lock. Here, man. Here. Keep these as a souvenir.
Okay. I hate handcuffs.
Dude, what was that for? Man, I'm gonna go get those. Man, I can keep them for myself. Here I come, handcuffs.
You okay?